What's going on, guys? So today we're doing a quick little video. It's on the 1JZ, but the 2J is pretty much the same. We're gonna be changing the tensioner pulley, and mine happened to crap out. We're gonna be changing it on the R34 here. Yes, it does have a JZ in it. Let me pop open the hood. So here we have, this is my bad one here. As you can see, that thing will just keep spinning and spinning. You don't have to remove your clutch fan. I just did so because I was changing for clutch fan shroud, but you don't have to touch any of that. Your clutch fan will be here. You'll remove your belt, pretty easy, 14 mil. You'll just push stress on the tensioner and the belt will pop right out. Literally takes like 2 seconds. Next up, what you're gonna wanna do is, you're gonna wanna remove all the bolts from here. Like I said, I already removed all that. You don't have to worry about your coil packs, any of that stuff. You're gonna wanna remove this top cover here. And then underneath, all you have are 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna unscrew those. I believe they're 12 mils. This will pop right out, and then you're just gonna put the new one in. So here we have, shout out to Boost Factory up in Canada land. So there are, this is the new one here, there are 2 versions. You have a non-dampened one and dampened one, so this has a little indent, and then the other one's a flat surface, obviously. But that's the new one there. Gonna keep that right there. Like I said, we're gonna have a 12 mil, unloose those 3 there, and it'll pop right out. So here we go. Got the 12 mil there. Loosens up pretty quickly. 12 mil there. Oh boy, I'm seeing a little bit of oil. I just replaced my PVTI cam gear O-ring. Still seeing a little bit of oil. Oh man. Yep. That's definitely some fresh oil for sure. Oh, that sucks. Well, that's for another video. But we got these 3 loose. Third one. Get ready to catch it. Just gonna use the one hand and boom. Just like that, it's out. So that's the old one. Like I said, spins freely. We got the new one here. Stops almost instantly. Here we go, new one's on. Just hand tightening first. All 3. There, that's good there, and then double check. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna install the clutch fan real quick, then just put the belt on, and then pretty much that's it. All right, I have my clutch fan on. Just gonna reroute this belt a little bit. My 14 mil, and what we're gonna do, just gonna push down on it. Go. Putting some tension on. I just looped it right over, and right when you let go, you'll have all the tension right there, and boom, complete. Now let's fire it up. Hopefully it should sound good. There we go, car's up and running now. I think next thing I have to do is switch out my alternator, because a lot of coolant went in there. I'm not sure about the pulley on that, but it's up and running. I'm gonna go for a test drive. But quick, easy, simple video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, it literally takes like 2 minutes to do all that. But stay tuned, guys. We're going to be ripping this thing next video.